Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share with you quickly on how I like to package things when I send them out in envelopes, like to my pen pals or just happy mail or random acts of kindness or what have you. This is one that I'm getting ready to send out, and I like to use my washi tape. This is the time that I use my washi tape, really, and the stickers that I have from all the books that I have. This is when I really like to use them. This is one here that I have going out. I'm just hiding their name. This piece here will just come off. And I just put Happy Day and a star and just a little different type of sticker on it. And then I just use my washi tape going across. Sometimes I do zigzags and what have you. And then I just layer them up on the back, and, you know, nothing too special. But anyway, I thought it's a good way to see the mail go through, and maybe someone will look at it and go, oh, well, isn't that neat or cute or something. So that's one that's going out. And then here's another one that I'm going to be sending out. I make my own envelopes as well. The one that you just saw, I didn't have one quite long enough, but these ones I had pre-made. So what I did was just cut out a heart and put that on there for the label, and put a hello pretty with another heart. Obviously this piece will not be on it. And then I just did a tag and then put another heart on it to match the paper with the purple for my address. And then I just put on the back, such a lovely day, with more washi tape. So the washi tape's not sticking on this one, so I'll probably just put a little bit of glue on the ends and that. And usually that's what I do, but obviously I forgot to do it on this one. So that's one that's going out. And then this is the other one that I'm going to be shipping out, just to show you a different way. Again, make my own envelopes for this one, and same theme with the heart and the tag and that heart, and I put a couple little clear stickers and another heart there, and did the same thing with just sending you lots of love, lots of hugs, and some other tape on the back. So I just thought I would share with you on how I like to package them up when they're just like flat type mail, and I thought that you would like to see that. Anyway, hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see you in the next video.